here at the Vancouver Resource Investment Conference. Steve Darling and Proactive. And joining me now is Tara Christie, the President and CEO of Banyan Gold. And Tara, great to see you. How are you?
Great to see you. Thanks for having me.
You walked up here and the first thing you said was, it's great to have people here. It seems like there's a bit of optimism at this particular show about the mining industry in Canada right now.
Absolutely. It's really nice to see retail investors coming back to this show. I think it's really well attended, quite a bit of enthusiasm, people asking good questions and really looking at the mining sector again and looking for investments and recognizing how undervalued many of the quality assets and companies are.
Absolutely. So let's talk a little bit about Banyan. Tell me about the company.
So Banyan, we had a great year. We really had some exploration success this year. You might have seen we just put out our last results from 2019, following up on our first program where we had success. We were able to finance in October. We still have almost $1 million in the bank today, which is pretty exciting. So we're funded for more exploration in 2020.
Okay.
We also brought in some new strategic investors in 2019. Alexco and Victoria Gold participated in our financing, but so did Cisco Gold Royalties and Sprott, which really we took that as a vote of confidence in our team and our properties and the Yukon. So.
Yeah, let's talk. We'll talk about the properties themselves right now. We'll begin with. Well, you mentioned the drilling program, so let's do a Oryx McQuestion. So tell me about that property.
So Oryx McQuestion, that property, we started with a phase 1 drill program, testing a geological model this year that we developed over the previous winter.
Yeah.
And we were very successful in what we found. The model proved out. We basically have a 90-meter thick package of rock right from surface in a really well-located area. It's right beside the main highway. We're like 50 meters from a year-round government-maintained highway.
Oh, that's good.
Right beside Victoria Gold's access road. Their substation is probably about 200 meters away from where we're finding mineralization. So we're really well infrastructure located property.
Okay.
And that enabled us to raise some more money. So we went back with a phase 2 drill program and just are putting those results out now. And our geological model again proved out. We're really excited with the results. And we made a new discovery at a similar, we applied the model a kilometer to the south and went and drilled it. And sure enough, the model's also applicable there, and we're starting to drill out what we think is a parallel zone. So, you know, that really adds ounces and makes it something which we think will be an attractive target. You know, you need lots of ounces. You need to have the prospectivity for multi-million ounces in order to get majors and people interested. And I think we have that.
So what will be the focus then for this year on that?
We're going to get back out on Oryx McQuestion. We're very encouraged by what we found. We added ounces very economically, and it's just in such a great location, just 40 kilometers from Victoria Gold, 20 kilometers as the crow flies. We're right beside Alexco's mill. Location.
Yeah. How about Highland Gold? Tell me about that one.
So our Highland project, we've really teed that up to show that it has multi-million ounce potential as well. We've got that existing resource on it, and it's in just a postage stamp, just 900 by 600 meters, 900 meters of trend. We've got 18 kilometers of trend there. There's huge exploration potential there. We've got lots of drill-ready targets on the property, and with that existing resource, we really think that it'll attract some interest either for a JV or an earn-in agreement.
Right.
And maybe the time to even finance it. The market is looking a lot more encouraging these days.
Which is always positive for sure for juniors,
always
especially.
Positive, yeah.
Let's talk about the Yukon really quickly and just about, I interviewed the minister last year and he talked about how they were really making an effort to try and improve the infrastructure for everyone to benefit from. Are you noticing that as well?
Yeah, we are noticing that. We had the airport improvements in Dawson City, as well as they're working on some in Mayo, which is right close to Victoria Gold and our property. There's been the recent announcements about the funding for the roads and commitment to work on roads. And I think that's really important. That's infrastructure that benefits not only the mining industry, but communities and the costs of goods and services for everybody.
Nice stuff. Well, it sounds like it's going to be a busy year for you guys. Nice to see you. Thank you very much for all the updates.
Thank you very much.
All right, Tara Christie, the President and CEO of Banyan Gold.